40% EV growth is here. Is your strategy ready to win? The electric vehicle market is booming with a 40% projected growth this year alone. But here is the hard truth. If your growth strategy isn't data-driven and agile, you are already losing the ground to your competitors. Hi, we are Mecwin EV Motors, a company built on one mission to help EV manufacturers to win in this fast-paced environment by delivering powerful growth strategies that are backed by real-time data and industry expertise. We deep dive into market trends, consumer behavior, and competitors' movement to uncover hidden opportunities that you might be missing. This isn't a guesswork, it's a strategic precision that drives faster product launches, cost optimization, and customer loyalty. Imagine reducing your time to market by 30%, cutting your production cost by 15%, and launching a product that perfectly matches the market demand. That's Mecwin difference. EV manufacturing isn't just about building bikes, it's about building smart bikes that sell. Our growth strategy is to unlock new customer segments, better product features, and to make your business future-proof against market shifts. Don't let growth pass you by. Partner with Mecwin EV Motors today, where innovation meets insights and your EV business will accelerate ahead of the pack.